Thanks for viewing our channel today. So we have another car detailing video for you. We're going to be working with McKee's 37 ceramic coating wax today. So a little over 4 weeks ago, we applied our Turtle Wax ceramic and graphene paste wax. So we decided on the hood, it's only been applied on the hood of our Jeep Wrangler, we're going to use the McKee's 37 carbon ceramic coating wax. So this is going to be the first application on it on the hood, and then after that, as we start doing our rinseless washes with winter coming up, apologize for the wind out here today, guys, we're going to start using this as a drying aid. So this is the product right here. We just got it last week from McKee's. By the way, we're really happy. Watch the end of our video. The packaging and the steps they take to make sure you get their product, I was very impressed with. You can see how well this was packaged compared to probably 95% of the items we get. And it really just talks about their, dedication to quality. Here's the back of the bottle. So we're just gonna read it off a little bit. So McKee's 37 Graphene Coating Wax is a spray-on, wipe-off coating wax that provides long-lasting paint protection. Use this graphene-rich formula as a standalone paint protectant or as a booster over your existing wax, which we're going to do right now, sealant or graphene coating. So we went with graphene since the Turtle Wax Paste Wax has graphene in it as well. So, let's see. McKee's 37 Graphene Coating Wax is formulated using a blend of ultra-fine graphene oxide ceramic resins fused with high-grade carnauba wax. Offers long-lasting paint protection as well as sizzling 3-dimensional shine in all colors. Directions: shake well, work in one panel at a time. So we're going to split the hood into two. Spray a liberal amount of McKee's 37 Graphene Coating Wax directly on the surface. Wipe clean using a soft, lint-free microfiber towel. We're going to be using our Eagle Edgeless 500 Red Company towels. Dry towel to buff the surface to remove any remaining residue. Repeat this process panel by panel. The graphene wax can be used as a drying aid after washing your vehicle. Simply mist 37 graphene coating wax on the surface as you dry it. And that's what we're going to be doing in the future. This is going to be the first application. We washed the vehicle last night using the Chemical Guys, their black wash, which did add some shine to it. So we're going to go ahead and show you how, or give you our thoughts and show you how we apply it to our vehicle. And we're going to start our application. Has a really nice smell to it. Can't really put my nose to what it is, but we're going to apply this. It says apply it liberally. Liberally. I can't say that. Just some words you just can't say. There we go. We applied quite a bit. So we're going to get comments about how much we applied. But it says apply liberally. Apply a liberal amount on the hood. So we're just using one towel to apply it, and then we're going to use a separate towel for our wipe-off towel. It is a little sticky when you're applying it. It's not a cleaning wax, so I'm not putting any pressure on the towel. Now it's applied, we are going to lightly buff off. Doesn't talk about the curing time on this, unless I missed it on the bottle, but we'll look again, see if there was any type of a curing time. But what we're going to do, we're going to let this sit overnight, and then we're going to do the water bead in test, the sheet and test on it. We're really just looking to add longevity to the Turtle Wax Paste Wax that we applied. And we'll leave a link to that video below. Very popular video. So the wipe on, wipe off, very easy. We'll see if it adds slickness. Right now it's slicker on the side that has the turtle wax that we haven't applied this over, but like a lot of products, it takes, you know, 10 minutes, half hour or so to kind of get that slickness going. All right. Applied very easily, even with the large amount I put on there, no streaking whatsoever. So we're going to apply it to the other side of the vehicle. We're not going to go as much on this side. Then when we start using it as a drying aid, we'll just be able to mist it on like the bottle said. Again, I'm not applying any pressure to the towel. It's a nice thing with these plush towels. Helps to avoid that, especially when you have black paint. Don't want to be applying a lot of pressure. There we go. Buffs to a nice shine, super easy, not a single streak. This is probably, like I just said, the easiest spray wax that I've applied besides the old school green Caranuba turtle wax. But we're gonna let this sit and then we're gonna check out the slickness, and like we said, tomorrow we'll do the water beading test on it. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours since we applied the ceramic coating wax on the Jeep. Again, it went on top of the turtle wax graphene ceramic. So we did have some rain this morning, but we had at least 12 hours of it curing before we had any type of rain. There was some good beading on it this morning. When we drove the vehicle, it all went off. So we're gonna show you the beading and sheet in action. So first we're gonna show you in the misting. So we're gonna mist the water on. And again, this was with just one application. So it has some small tight beads, it has some larger beads, and you can just see it kind of sheeting off there. Okay, next we're going to do a little stream. So it definitely looks like it's more of a bead-in product than it is a sheet-in product. So we're going to do a shower nozzle. So there you can see how it performs. And the wipe off, really easy with our liquidator towel. So our final thoughts on the graphene coating wax. Application, beyond easy, anyone can do it. Spray it in, rub it around with your microfiber towel, or work it in with your microfiber towel and buff it off. We had no streaking whatsoever. It does add some nice shine to it, but it wasn't as slick as some of the other products we've used. The our turtle wax, ceramic graphene paste wax was slicker. The Griot's Garage 3-in-1 wax is slicker. Bead Maker is slicker. But I mean, this does add slickness to the paint. I'm not saying it's not slick. There are other items or other brands that are a little bit slicker. But you know, the goal is to use this as a drying aid once we do our rinseless washes and do a dry application maybe every couple months. But we're pretty happy with it. The application could not have been any smoother, any easier. So we'll do a probably like a 3 and 6 month follow-up review on this as we get into winter, since the season's changing here. But we figured this would be a good combination with the Turtle Wax ceramic graphene coating, or a paste wax that we installed on here. So hopefully this video was informative for you guys. Please leave your comments above, below. Give us your thoughts on if you've used this product or similar products before, and give us a like and subscribe, and look out for future videos. Thanks. So we wanted to talk about how our experience has been with our very first order from McKee's 37. And we're going to go ahead and show you something right now. I was very impressed, and this says a lot about a company that you're dealing with. So this is the box we received, our very first order with those guys. You can see how well this was packaged compared to probably 95% of the items we get. And it really just talks about their, dedication to quality. So you can see they had this really nice packing material to really ensure that the liquids came without any damage. So if a company is going to spend this much time and invest this much detail into just shipping their items to you and make sure everything ships properly, that says a lot about a company to me, and that's a company I want to do business with. So we have both of the rinseless washes, the graphene ceramic wax, the carpet upholstery cleaner, 2 sponges, like we said earlier. They had a little special go, and I think it was 29 bucks. You get a 32 ounce and you get a sponge. We got a smaller gauntlet towel. We got an interior brush. So, their website, very easy to navigate. They had videos. Their pricing was very reasonable. And the other thing we liked is when we placed the order, we'd get regular email updates when the items were shipping, the inventory tracker, and when it got delivered. And I haven't gotten one spam email since. So just really wanted to give them a shout out when you deal with a company and they really impress you with just how they put things in a box to make sure that they arrive safe. It just says a lot about those guys, and that's the type of company I want to support, with the small detailing we do. So again, give McKee's 37 a try if you haven't done so already. We just purchased it right from their website, reasonable price, and we had enough where we qualified for free shipping. One of the reasons I added the towel, it was cheaper to get the towel than pay for the shipping. So again, thanks for watching our video. Give us a big like and subscribe, throw your comments above, and we'll see you on our next one.